Hello everyone, Investrance Research is back again. So these days there is a lot of buff in the market about Nifty hitting 10,000 and Sensex hitting 32,000. Okay, so Investrance Research has been getting a lot of queries about what should be a person's strategy of investment when Nifty is at such a high point, right? And also Sensex. So we thought of breaking down what happens when Nifty hits 10,000, or what should be your investment strategy when the market is at such a high point of time. Okay, so let me be clear about this Nifty and Sensex. So these are indicators of the market, which gives you the overall sentiment, what people are thinking, right? So it is bullish or bearish, right? So market is constantly going up, right? And it will obviously be creating new highs, so 10,000, 12,000 mark, 15,000, 20,000. So obviously Sensex at certain point of time was also at 10,000. Now it is at 32,000, right? The market will go up. So all this buzz and all these things are created by news channels that it is hitting 10,000, and people get into the flow and start investing and putting a lot of money in the market. But this shouldn't be your strategy. It could be either way. It totally depends on the market, right? It doesn't really depend upon the news channels saying that at 10,000 they're creating news. So it's just their job is to create news and articles, right, about Nifty hitting at certain point. If it was, then again it will be a news for them. But what you need to consider at points of Nifty for investments, right? So there are two types how you need to take Nifty. So when you look at Nifty, and if you are an option trader, right, you are buying a put or a call options, then you need to see the Nifty chart and take investment decisions according to if you are trading options or only of Nifty, right? Other than that, if you are trading being stock specific and you want to invest in certain stocks, which majority of people do, then the Nifty's consideration is slightly lower, because you just see the sentiment. Then you go to stock charts, then you go to stock specific sectoral charts, then you take an investment decision. So don't be so much concerned about Nifty hitting 10,000 and getting into stocks, right? The stocks could be very much overvalued. If you are following the Pro Trader series and other videos of Investrance Research, you will be seeing how we are giving the ways to invest, right? So don't really get into this news thing of Nifty hitting 10,000, right? So let's just see the chart of Nifty and conclude that what we need to do, and how people should analyze the chart of Nifty for investments, right? Just give me a sec. Yeah. So this is the chart of Nifty past 2000, year 2000, right? So Nifty has been in an uptrending manner. It's going up and up and up. Obviously, it's an index, so it has to. So it's a very good thing that Nifty is going up. So the market trend overall, you can say that long-term trend also from 2014 has been uptrending, right? So there has been certain points of Nifty's life when it has fallen to certain levels, and but it has also gone up, right? So let's see what happened past say 7-8 months. So this was the time in December when demonetization happened, and Nifty went down, right? So Nifty had broken its 200-day moving averages, and also the 300-day moving averages, and it had gone down, right? So so this was the certain point of time when majority of the long-term investors should have invested and got into the market, right? So this is a kind of double bottom pattern, what the technical suggests. So when it breaks this double bottom pattern, so it's a huge demand area, right? So once here the demand got created and the market went up. Again, when it came down, the demand got created and the market went up, right? So people wanted to buy here. So a lot of people thought that people are buying here, people are buying here. So everybody entered at this point of time and took the market up, right? So your strategy, if you are a very long-term investor, should be that you are entering at such point of time according to technicals when you see such double bottom pattern or this bunching of moving averages, right? So all these moving averages 200, 150, 20, 75, 300 will be bunching at certain point of time, which suggests that a lot of investors are going to enter the market or have entered the market, right? So it has created a very crucial base for it for investments. So a lot of people have got into the market, and until and unless you see the other technical pattern which suggests that the market trend is changing, like you can see that this is higher bottom, higher top, higher bottom, higher top, then higher bottom, higher top. So constantly market is going up, right? Higher bottom and higher top, higher bottom and higher top, higher bottom, and again a higher top, right? So until and unless it changes from all the higher bottoms to one lower bottom, till that time you need to stay invested in the market, right? So this could be the strategy for very long term investors. So if people would have invested their money in during demonetization, which is the very right strategy to enter the market when the market falls, right? And so these days, when people are saying that okay, Nifty is currently at 10,000 and we want to invest their money, I would suggest that please do wait for some time, because yes, I can say that Nifty is an uptrend, but there has been a certain technical pattern that has been observed by Investrance Research, is that there's such certain moving average crossover that is happening with a moving average of 20-day and a 5-day, right? I'll just show it to you. So this line, if you can see, which is following the chart, this is a 5-day moving average, and this is the blue line, this is 20-day moving average. So certain point of time when it is crossing over the Nifty candles, whenever it is crossing over, there's a trading happening, right? So whenever it comes back to after the market retraces, it retraces bit to its 20-day moving averages, because it's pretty uptrending and everything is happening. So until and unless and there was a very good downtrend at the time of when it came to 50-day moving averages, right? So you need to consider such points, because you are not going to get this kind of pattern for certain point of time, because Nifty is currently very overvalued. So your strategy here would be being a trader. Long-term trading I won't suggest at this point of time, but if you just want to trade certain stocks or Nifty call or put options, you can follow this pattern currently for trading Nifty, right? So coming to candle specific, let's see what Nifty had been making past few days. So this is a doji which suggests that it's pretty confusing, but again a green candle, again a red candle, and a hammer. So again a hammer here. So market fell at certain point of time here, a bit of profit taking, but again a hammer, means market went down at this till this point, but the market closed in green, right? So that means that there are a lot of buying that is happening today also, when the market is at such high point of time. You can track our FII and DII data, which are really the market movers of Nifty and Sensex. So you can track their investments or what they are doing, whether they are buying or selling, right? So currently again here's a buying. So if you guys are planning to enter the market right now, it could be turning positive, but going to certain level and come back to lower level, right? So you need the market to retrace back to the 20-day moving averages, and then enter all your money, and then come out of the market when it is hitting, say, 5-day moving average. So this could be the strategy for small trades and swing traders, so that they make money, right? So, but if you are a very long-term investor, this is not the right time. If you are very long, suppose your horizon is 10 to 15 years, then you can enter the market at any point of time. So that really doesn't make any differences if you are selecting good stocks and other factors as well, according to their sectoral and the industry. Okay, so coming to RSI also. So when the market was had fallen during demonetization, so market the RSI were below 30. That means that it was very much oversold, right? So whenever you are considering the buying and selling, you need to consider RSI. So these days, after demonetization happened and the markets are more into bullish run, So the RSI is maintaining itself to 57 to 58 levels, right? So 48 to 58 levels, right? So this is the zone of 70s to which is considered as the overbought levels of the market, and nowadays the 50 levels is considered as the oversold level. Okay, because it changes with the technical pattern. So if it comes to 30 level, then you have to enter the market anyhow. Okay, so whenever you are trading, the RSI is currently at 71, which says that the market is very much overbought, right? And selling can happen at any point of time. So you have to be aware, right? So whenever when I'll be entering the market is that when I see the RSI is like little bit oversold for me, and that is like 50 level, I'll be entering the market. Okay. For the I'm talking about the if you are trading options, puts or calls of the Nifty. Okay. So, and if you want to enter your money into market and you are looking at Nifty, then again the same strategy it will be taken into consideration. But again, you have to go to the sectoral index of which stock you are investing, and also the stock charts. So for all these stock related, you can see our another chart trading videos on YouTube, where we have shown that when you need to enter the stock, and also the sectoral analysis. So there are few examples, you can just go and watch the videos for that. And coming back to Nifty, so Nifty at this point of time, I'll conclude that wait for a while, let Nifty come to 9850 levels, 9900 levels, and enter your money. But again, it would be very small trades, the profit levels would be small, and you need to be a swing trader for that. So for all people who are planning intraday and other stuff, you need to be very careful, because you can be beaten down any day if the market is so much oversold. Okay, so if you have any queries, please write down to me on investransresearch@gmail.com, and also do like our Facebook page Investrance Research, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Investrance Research for more videos. Okay, thank you for watching this video. This was from Investrance Research, making investment decisions better.